Okay, guys, you're welcome once more. Or should I say once again? My name is SIMA. My full name is Chuku Promise Uzamaka, and I'm the owner of SIMA Nation. So, if you're coming across this video, I believe you are here because you want to make money testing tokens and doing a lot of things that has to do with that. At this point, I would urge you to subscribe and at the same time turn on your notification bell because you would really be needing that. So to begin with, this is not going to be a short video. I'm sorry for saying this, but you would need to not skip any part of it if you want to get the full message and don't make a mistake. I'm using a video instead of a write-up because I felt like it's going to be more explanatory, you understand? So here we're going to be talking about things you're going to need if you want to make money. Testing tokens, doing airdrops without spending a dime. You get, without spending anything. So first of all, you're going to be needing wallets. For me, I would recommend you get MetaMask. You can find it on Play Store, and I think it's also an app store. And I want to say something between iPhone and Android. If you want to make money doing airdrops, you should better go for Android because it's more efficient for you and will do more for you. It's not all kind of airdrop that you can do on iPhone. You understand? I think these days they are trying to integrate more, so it's going to get a bit more easier. But Android has always been my number one, and it has always been amazing. So you're going to be needing wallets. First of all, you will be needing an EVM wallet, which is you should get MetaMask or Zerion. I use Zerion. I use MetaMask. I use the two. You understand? Trust Wallet too works. You understand? You can use Trust Wallet and there's no problem with that. And then you're going to be getting Phantom or Soulflare. This two is for Solana network. So most airdrops we're going to be doing is going to be EVM Solana. EVM comprises of a lot of network that I don't want to explain. I think as time goes on, I will explain other things. You understand? Now you will need these two wallets. Solana wallet, which is Soulflare or Phantom, and then you're going to get an EVM wallet, either MetaMask or you get Zerion. These two are nice and good for you. Now these are the browsers you're going to be needing. You'll be needing MySys browser. Some people use Brave and some use I've forgotten the name of the other one, but MySys is the number one goal for me. So if you want to do airdrop and do it rightly, because of extension wallets, because you're going to get extension wallets, you're going to get the normal wallet. All this thing, you're not spending money. You're only going to have to use your data to download it. So it's not something difficult to do, if you ask me. So you're going to be needing MySys browser. And then there's a few inbuilt apps we're going to be working with. I think I'm going to be explaining all this one by one as time goes on. Each airdrop that requires it, when I'm doing a video about it to explain how to do the airdrop, I would teach how to use the app because I cannot do all at once. You understand? So all those inbuilt apps we're going to be using is not going to be hard for you to get. Now, some airdrops would not work on your normal phone. So that is where you need MySys. You would have to turn your MySys browser to desktop mode to use it, together with your extension wallet. Of course, I will explain that when I'm explaining how to use Gauzy. So that is that for that. You get. And now these are the social medias you need for airdrop. Recently there was an airdrop, a token testing that paid us for just connecting our TikTok account. That was just about that. I think that was the first time I had to connect TikTok. So I wouldn't say TikTok is part of it, but normally everybody has TikTok. So you'll be needing X, which is Twitter. Very, very important and vital. Download it on Play Store. You'll be needing Telegram accounts, of course. You should have by now if you're coming across this video. I believe you have Telegram. You will be needing Discord. Discord app is on Play Store. Download it. There will be GitHub. It doesn't have an app for now. It's easy to create. I will teach you when you need that. Any airdrop that needs GitHub, I will show you how to. So these are the main apps you will be needing to complete taxes. You understand? You're going to have to learn how to use Gauzy, Quest, other ones, Tax Zone, and all the rest. These things are not hard. I think when there is a drop that requires it, for every single drop that is a bit out of place, like a bit difficult, I would make a video explaining how to do it. And if you can just watch the video, it is simple, you can follow up. See, if you're here and you're serious, give yourself a month or two. You should be making nothing less than at least 500 to 1k, more than that every single month, as long as you're following up. And we'll be doing a lot of testing. First of all, I think I need to really explain what is testing tokens. You understand? This is airdrops. And now let me tell you why these people will pay you. Why these people will pay you money. These are companies trying to build projects. Mostly these days now, AI projects. They need community. And when you're opportune to be first of the community they manage to get, and the first to build, there's nothing you want to build around cryptocurrency that you don't need community for. So they would always want to compensate those that started with them. You understand? Immediately they have a token TG. It's called token generation event. So immediately they have that, they are definitely going to support the people they felt was there for them when they needed. You understand? So that is the main reason for airdrops. You test their token. There's what we call test net period. You understand? You help them test their project, their application, or whatever they were building on Web3, so that they can see the errors and make amends. So when they are now coming to the mainnet, they compensate you. Some of these airdrops last for a month, some don't even last a week, some a year, some 2 years, some 6 months, some 3 months, depending on what kind of project the project itself is building. All you can just do is try to do the best you can. You can't outdo yourself, you get. Some people have multiple devices, so they work with their multiple devices. But if you don't have multiple devices, it doesn't mean you cannot participate. Me, I'm working with one account and I am good. You understand? So you're going to be making lots of money. Your salary, your job will not pay you this money. I don't think I've seen what will pay you this money. I think another thing that can pay you like this is affiliate marketing, which requires bring one person and bring two person, do this and do that. Except for that, in this airdrop space, you just need a wallet. You need to have these social medias that I just talked about. So these things are things you'll be using for the engagement. Most of them is going to be, let me tell you what the taxes are like. Follow this so account, comment on so post, like this so post, retweet this, join our community on Discord, join our community on Telegram, chat on our Telegram, chat on our, just simple repost this, post about our. These are the kind of taxes they'll be asking for you. Now, there's advanced taxes. We'll talk about that one. It's not all projects, but most of the simplest projects. In fact, let me tell you, you can get paid for just putting in your email. They just want to add you on their email list. You can get paid for that. There's a lot of wait lists that have paid people, just like Akaram. Akaram paid people between 200 to, some got between 200. I think the smallest people got from Akaram was $200, and the highest was over $50,000, depending on individual. You understand? So this thing pay you whether you refer, whether you no refer anybody, and you don't need to spend your hard-earned money. You just have to do simple taxes, and once it's TG, they pay. They are definitely going to compensate you, and sometimes this compensation is so big that it will change your entire life. You cannot be doing cryptocurrency airdrop and you said you're broke. It's not like that unless you're not serious. If you're serious and you follow up on your projects, you don't have any reasons to be broke. So once again, I will say thank you and welcome. As time goes on, we'll be talking about other things, but these are the main things you'll be needing to get started for now. So thank you, and I believe by now you should have subscribed, and of course turn on the notification bell, because sometimes you might not know when I post an update on our Telegram, but the notification can tell you about it if I post a video relating to such. And please, I forgot to say something. Pin our channel in your I'm sure you can do that. It's not hard. You just have to click on our channel, like press on it hard, and then I think three dots or three dash will show up. Click there. You see where they say pin. Pin it. The reason is most times there's a lot of messages on Telegram. But when you have our channel pinned, that means anytime you enter Telegram, our message will be at the top. So if there's an airdrop, there's a way to do it. Most times I would be doing video on how to do all these airdrops. Don't miss out. This is not like your tap 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 that you did on Telegram, and because the truth is you did not even know what you were doing. You were just tapping because you had some people tap and they got paid. And even those ones that you felt like you tap and you did not get paid, people still did it and still got paid. People that did it the right way. Understand? So you do not understand this, you do not understand. But it is nice. As long as you follow me up, you're going to learn, and you're going to learn good. Thank you and welcome to SIMA Nation. Stay tuned, for we're going to be giving you lots more updates. And of course, let's make money together.